Today, I am in Castle Rock, Colorado, in the Macanta neighborhood here in Castle Rock. Now come along with me and let's go check out some model homes. But stick around at the end because I'm going to show you the spectacular clubhouse that's here in the Macanta neighborhood. Now let's go take a look. Thank you for touring this Alamosa floor plan here in the Macanta neighborhood in Castle Rock, Colorado. Now this floor plan, this one is 2,029 square feet, and as of today in December, this base price for this floor plan is $647,900. Now this is a ranch level floor plan, meaning all one level living. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus the study that I'm sitting in right now. And this one has a 2-car attached garage. Now what's really spectacular about this Macanta neighborhood is all of the homes back to open space. And when it's all completely built, they're only in phase 2 right now, December 2023, there's going to be about 900 to 1,000 homes here in Macanta. Now Macanta also has a clubhouse, an outdoor pool, and the clubhouse is known as the Spoke. Now, inside the clubhouse, there is a full state-of-the-art gym in there. They will have the clubs, the activities, and things like that once the neighborhood becomes fuller. Now, right now they're in phase 2. There is still homes available in phase 1. So we're at the very beginning of this project. So if you want more information about what it's like to live in Castle Rock, well, go ahead and check out this video right here. I do all kinds of videos about what it's like living in the Denver metro area. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, and I will see you right over here on this next video.